Hi there! If you're ready to kickstart your fitness journey and are looking for tips to help get started, this video is for you. My name is Meeta Dhelia, and in this video, I'll share 5 tips which help me go from 15,000 steps a week and zero workout to 50,000 steps, 4 to 5 hours of workout, and even help me build some baby muscles all starting in my 40s. The first 3 tips are the foundation. The 4th, my personal favorite. And the 5th brings it all together. So let's dive in. Tip 1. It's best to start with an activity you enjoy in your everyday setting. It could be walking, cardio. Dancing is an excellent form of cardio. Strength. You can just start with body weight exercises, yoga, or any combination of these at home. Choosing an activity you enjoy increases the likelihood of sticking to it, and starting at home eliminates the time needed to get set and get to the gym. Tip 2. Find a slot of 10 minutes or more you can commit towards your physical activity goals. It's helpful if it's the same time every day because over time it reduces the willpower play and decision making and makes it more intuitive. Tip 3. Show up. Even if you have to play some mind games. Even on days you don't feel like it, commit to showing up and doing the activity only for 2 minutes. If at the end of it, you yet truly don't want to do it, take a rest day, hit reset, and show up the next day. When you keep doing this day after day, week after week, over time you realize you don't need as many rest days. Before moving forward, I request you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share. Thank you so much. Tip 4. Make it enticing to stick to your physical activity goals. Watch Netflix while working out. Promise yourself those leggings or sneakers you've been drooling over for a while if you stick to your goals for a month. Short-term enticements go a long way in keeping us on track. Tip 5. Form a community. Get a friend involved, join an online fitness chat, or be a lurker on one. Comment in the section below so that we can hold each other accountable and partner on being the best versions of ourselves. In the video below, I talk about how I applied these 5 tips to my personal fitness journey, and in the video above, I talk about how small steps lead to big changes. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.